In today's video, I'm going to teach you a tutorial for social media management software in HubSpot. We'll walk through connecting a social account and publishing a post, so you can manage your content from one place with confidence. Start by opening your HubSpot home. From the main navigation, hover over Marketing and click Social. This opens HubSpot's social tool, where you can connect networks, compose posts, and review performance all in one streamlined view. First, let's connect an account. Click Connect Accounts. For this example, choose Facebook, though you can also connect X, LinkedIn, Instagram, and YouTube. In the Facebook dialog, click Continue as your account. If you manage multiple pages, make sure you're signed into the correct profile that has admin access. Next, click Continue to grant the necessary permissions so HubSpot can publish and pull analytics on your behalf. Now, select the specific Facebook page you want to connect. A quick tip: connect your business page rather than a personal profile to unlock scheduling and insights. When you're ready, click Connect, and you should see that page appear in your HubSpot social tool. With your account ready, let's create a post. Click Create Social Posts. Publishing from HubSpot matters because it centralizes your planning, keeps your voice consistent across channels, and gives you data to improve over time. In the Composer, click Select Accounts and choose the page you just connected. If you manage multiple accounts, you can select more than one to tailor content for each network in a single workflow. Write your caption in the text field. Keep it clear, on-brand, and actionable. Add a concise call to action and use hashtags where they make sense for the platform. Aim for scannable language and avoid clutter. Short, strong messages typically perform best. Next, add your creative. Click Select Image to upload. Then click Upload and choose the image from your computer. Use high-resolution files and consider aspect ratios that suit the platform. For Facebook and Instagram, square or 4:5 often looks great in feeds. After the file is ready, click Insert Files to attach it to your post. When everything looks good, click Review and Schedule. Here, confirm your copy, check the preview, and decide whether to publish now or schedule for a later date. Scheduling helps you post at optimal times and keep a consistent cadence, even across time zones or during busy weeks. That's it. Your social account is connected and your post is ready to go. If this was helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more.